Hello guys, welcome. So in this video tutorial, we are going to cover a popular question, that is how to link submit button to another page in HTML, where we will talk about these three methods by using HTML anchor tags, by using HTML form tags, and by using JavaScript on click event. Now get back to our tutorial. Open your text editor and create a HTML file with this heading. Now click the file menu and save button to save your HTML file. Choose a path where you want to save your HTML file. Let's save this HTML file in our desktop. Give it a name followed by the .html extension. Now click Save. Now locate your HTML file and run it on your browser. This is the web page where we will link our submit button. Now create a new HTML file and save it at the same location where we just saved our previous HTML file. Give it a name followed by the .html extension. Now save this HTML file. After that, in the main file, we have to create a submit button and link that submit button to another page. Get started with the HTML syntax. Now in this first method, we are going to use HTML anchor tags to link our submit button. Write HTML anchor tags inside your main file, and between those anchor tags starting and closing tags, we have to include our submit button. Save your main file and run it in your browser. Now our submit button is clickable but is not linked right now. To link this submit button, we have to assign our another page path inside the anchor tag's href attribute. If your main and other page is present at the same location like this, then you just have to write your file's name followed by the extension. If you aren't able to see the file extension here, then right click on your file, select properties from there, and note your file's extension. Now save your main file and refresh the browser. If your submit button is not working or your another page is present at different location, then you have to give the full path of your another page here. To get the full path of any file, right click on it, select properties. Under the security tab, you can select and copy the full path from there. And in your main file, you have to paste here the copied path. If this full path method is not working, then you have to add file : / before your file's path. Or if you want to link the submit button to an online website like Google, then you have to write http : website name and the domain name. Now the second method, by using HTML form tags. To link submit button to another page using HTML forms, you have to use HTML form tags for that. Between those HTML form tags starting and closing tags, you have to include your submit button using HTML input fields, where input type must be submit. And by using HTML form tags action attribute, we can give here the full path of our another page where we want to link our submit button. Save it and refresh the browser. Now the third and the last method, by using JavaScript on click event. For that, we have to declare our submit button first. And after that, we have to create a JavaScript function, whereby using JavaScript document.location.href, we will redirect our user to another page on a single button click. Between those double quotes, we have to write our another page path. And by using JavaScript on click event inside our submit button, we will run our JavaScript function. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great time.